Hello everyone, it's Hannah here from Virtually Fluent. Today we're looking at a really useful verb, which is have got in English. We're going to understand the correct meaning and use and look at the grammatical structure of this too. So the typical meaning of have got in English is either possession or a characteristic. So we can use it to say that you are the owner or the possessor of something. I have got a house and car. I own a house and car. But we can also use this to talk about relationships with people. I have got a sister or a brother. We can also use this for illnesses. I have got a headache. I have got toothache. And for characteristics, or traits, personality or physically. I have got blonde hair. I have got blue eyes. Now it's really important to note that have got is very typically used in British English, and you'll often hear it a lot in European English too. Over in America, in American English, they don't tend to use that got part, and that's because have got typically has exactly the same meaning as have in English, and in America they tend to use just have instead of have got. The definitions are exactly the same. You can choose which grammar form you prefer to use because they're exactly the same. So let's review the forms of this verb. I have got, you have got, he, she, it has got, we have got, and they have got. But remember, we're lazy in English. Sometimes we want to contract. We don't want long sentences, short and snappy. So I've got, you've got, he's got, she's got, it's got, we've got, and they've got. In negative, all we do is insert the not in between the have and the got part. So I have not got, and he, she, it has not got. And again, we can contract these forms too. Haven't got and hasn't got. Remember, when we ask questions in English, all we need to do is flip the first verb and the subject, which means have comes first, then our subject, and then got. Have I got? Has she got? And if you want, you can insert a question word before the have part. What have you got? Why have you got? So this is how we use the expression have got in English. Nice and simple, nice and easy, and it will just make you sound pretty native. If you'd like to practice, you can head over to our Have Got course. I've left the link to that in the description below. Don't forget to like today's video and hit that notification bell to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we're not just on YouTube, but you can find me across so many different social media sites. I've left all those links in the description below. This is Hannah from Virtually Fluent, bringing English to life.